Hey there, my name is Dimitri, and in this video, we are going to show you how to take Google reviews and build your wall of love with them with Testimonial. Let's dive right into it. So for those of you that don't know, Testimonial has a slate of free tools. They're really great and they help you make your wall of love built with absolute ease and do other things like set up email templates for generation, help you create video testimonial scripts for clients, and much more. If you go to the Google Reviews wall of love builder right here, you can do something like this. Say, for example, I was Walmart and I wanted to build a wall of love using my Google reviews. I could simply say Walmart in Chicago, for example. Okay, so let's check out the one off Diversity, and you'll see it has 7,098 reviews, which is really great. Now, let's see how good the reviews are. Our free tool fetches up to 20 reviews from the first 2 pages, and you can create an account for unlimited Google reviews. So let's see, we found 18 reviews. There's a myriad of them that gave 5 stars. There's some of them that don't. For example, this one says fantastic. Many of them just show 5 stars. And from there, all we need to do is add all of them to a wall of love, and you'll see it actually creates an embed code for your website. So let's try this out. So let's go to copy my code, and you'll see this is pretty nice. It's just got all of the different things that were said here in either light or dark mode. So dark mode looks pretty nice. But if I copy this, especially for the light mode, and we were to go to a page, I could find a spot to type /embed on my website and then put in the code. And you'll see very quickly, it was able to create a wonderful wall of love view for this Walmart location without me even needing to have a testimonial.to account. Now, obviously, it doesn't have the link to the Google reviews. It does advertise us at testimonial.to because there's going to be a watermark. It is a free tool. But if you don't want it to be a free tool and you want to use it without any of the strings attached there, I would definitely recommend you try out testimonial.to to get rid of the non-5-star reviews, to build out your own testimonial wall of love today with the customization that you deserve. So if you like this video and want to check out more content regarding testimonial.to, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.